Thanks so much for joining me in this video today. If you're a gate contractor and you're looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your services, well, you've definitely come to the right place today, so keep watching this video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Mighty Sites platform to build a simple website for your gate contractor business. If you haven't heard of Mighty Sites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details are needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you've joined the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market. Now, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. Let's head to the top, search for our market, Gates Contractor. There it is over there. Now I'm going to go ahead and select that template. Awesome. Let's sum out a few basic details about our business so it can generate a website for us. Pop in your business name, your city, and your state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world your business is operating from, you can enjoy the Mighty Site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you click on continue, your website will automatically be generated. And Mighty Sites will automatically bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new websites in under 30 seconds. For now, I'm going to go ahead and close it off because today I'm going to be the one to show you the ropes. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality. As you can see, they're completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase in each section. Maybe make one or two amendments to this content, make a bit more personalized to your business. Perhaps you don't offer all these services and you want to change them. You don't need to know any website coding, be a web professional in any kind of way. And you certainly don't need to hire a professional to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's get started. I'm going to click on the first section, pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that is visible for my customers to see. So I'm going to go ahead and check that box, show email on sites. Awesome. Phone number is click to call, by the way. And your physical location, maybe you're mobile, you don't have a physical location, so you can leave this off. But if you do pop it in over here, your customers will be able to click on that address when your website's live and be taken directly to Google Maps. And update social links, pop in your various social media platforms your business is active on over there. Once you've done so, the icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. If you have a business logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. Once you have done so, you can click on that little pencil over here to crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames. Here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. If you'd like to change the colors used throughout your website, click on that little paint tin bottom right-hand corner. Go through the various color palette options available for you to use. It's that simple. Now, for each section you'd like to make a little bit more personalized, perhaps change these images, click on update section, head on over to update images. This is where you can browse your device and upload your own images, or search through the photo library. We've got hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, automatically pull in those photos if you have a profile. Under the update action, we have the call to action buttons, the text on the buttons, and where they link. So you can even upload a PDF file under that option. In the last section, we have a lead generation form. Customers can easily reach out to you here. Keep track of all your leads coming in your Mighty dashboard. If you have a custom domain for your business, you can connect it. Click on that connect your domain button at the bottom. If you don't have a custom domain, we really recommend that you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. You can actually click on that button as well and purchase a custom domain via our platform as well. Really hope that short tutorial was helpful in building a simple website for your gate contractor business, and I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success.